Hi, my name is Madison Nickel and welcome to my PD series. This is episode number 1, using graphic organizers in the social studies classroom. So, to give a quick overview of what this PD session will be about, I first will give a definition of graphic organizers, then I'll move on to why we should use them. Lastly, I'll share 2 of my favorite graphic organizers and show you how to use them, giving a few examples. So, definition of graphic organizers. So in general, Gallivan and Kotler tell us that graphic organizers are visual models that provide teachers and students with tools, concepts, and language to organize, understand, and apply information to achieve a variety of purposes and outcomes. So some common types of graphic organizers that you may have already seen include Venn diagrams, mind maps, and KWL charts. Within our context of using graphic organizers in the social studies classroom, Weissman and Hansen write that graphic organizers are useful because social studies textbooks they often use the passive voice and intricate sentences that can make it difficult for ELLs to understand passages. Graphic organizers are an effective tool that can support understanding of difficult concepts and text. So basically, it really helps improve literacy in your classroom. Now you might be thinking, now this is all great, but how do I use them in the classroom? How do I use them to support literacy, specifically in social studies? What does it look like? Hall, Kent, Macaulay, Davis, and Wanzek give us 5 simple steps to do just that. First, identify the structure of the text that the students are reading and choose a graphic organizer that matches this text structure. Second, provide students with a brief explanation as to how this type of graphic organizer can aid in their comprehension of the text. Third, model how to enter information into the graphic organizer, giving opportunities for student participation. Fourth, transfer responsibility for the completion of the graphic organizers to the students. And finally, encourage students to explain the conceptual relations represented in the finished organizer. So first you want to introduce the text, then introduce what graphic organizer you'd like to use. Maybe help them with a few examples, filling out a few areas just to get them started, and then let them finish, and then let them explain what they have done. So now I'd like to discuss 2 of my favorite graphic organizers that can be used effectively to support literacy in the social studies classroom. First is the sequential / cause and effect organizer. This organizer can take several different events and discuss how they are related sequentially. For example, I've made one here about the American Civil War, talking about the causes and effects of the Battle of Gettysburg and the capture of New Orleans. So as you can see, details can easily be added. This is great for discussing specific battles where there's might be a text with a lot of detail, and this is a great way of weeding out the stuff that really doesn't need to be there and just getting at the hard facts. The second organizer is a fishbone organizer. The fishbone organizer is better for more general ideas with less detail. I really like them for longer texts in textbooks, and I have used the same topic here and shown you how to do so. So as you can see, if you're reading an article about the American Civil War in general, this might be better because you can use all 6 bones there and cover them up with all the different battles, but with just 2, the cause and effect / sequential organizer would probably work better. Okay, thanks. That is everything for this episode. I encourage you to use graphic organizers in your classroom the next time you read a text. Try it out and stay tuned on my YouTube channel for more PD sessions. Thanks.